there's a new auto framing feature. So if we go to auto framing, and I'm going to go ahead and start auto framing and turn auto tracking off. Now what it's going to do is it's going to follow both of them. So if they both move left and right, it'll zoom out. If they move close together, it will zoom in on both of them. How about that? This is my favorite feature. I'm going to get up and do it with you guys. This is my absolute favorite new feature of this camera. So that is my favorite feature of these cameras. I mean, I'm thinking plays, dances, anytime there's any amount of people on the stage.
Right.
I don't think there's a limit to how many people you can have.
No, there isn't. Perfect for dance recitals, like you said. There's so many dance studios all across the country. You want to keep every little girl, boy in frame. You know, they're constantly running around like crazy in those dance studios. So.
We have got to find a dance studio. I was thinking like jujitsu, like wrestling.
We got that right there.
Yeah. Like let's think about that, guys, and really go out and find some studios, dance studios, ballet recitals.
Yeah.
Something
definitely.
like that.
Absolutely.
Because I want to challenge it. I want to see what happens when there's like 20 little children running around on stage or something like that.
Right.
Frantic motion, yeah.
But yeah, it performs really well. And I do think will it handle a mosh pit?
Might go a little crazy though.
You know, and that's the other thing too, is I'd like to be like 100 feet away from it because the PTZOptics cameras can track, the PTZOptics 30S can track someone up to 300 feet away.
That's crazy.
Yep. So I want to take this thing out to like a really big auditorium and try it.
Right.
Parade. Ooh, I like that. Yeah. I mean, that's the kind of stuff. These are really powerful, really cool cameras. Very excited for this technology to be now. And there's even more. We did a show on it recently, but it's pretty cool.